Greetings from Zillion RPM Labs, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. We are manufacturers, importers, and service providers, and training and supporters for CNC router machine. We focus on CNC routers, however, we deal with CNC laser, plasma cutting, water jet, 3D printer, and robotics and related technologies. Zillion RPM has RPM Tools Consulting as a consulting brand and Solid Vision as our product brand. We are CNC router experts. We help organizations to acquire the right technologies and to run the unit to extract maximum benefits. We help to source the right machineries and software systems to exactly fit to market and customer needs. We also do build, own, transfer, and operate CNC routers. We support single machines to master turnkey projects. We collaborate and co-create globally with organizations in creating physical objects from computer models. The necessary support in applications and service are provided at every stage. Excellent training on designing and manufacturing machine operations by experienced engineers is given with every machine. These machineries are used for prototyping, production in medical, industrial, artistics, woodworking, signage, architectural, jewelry, and other fields. They can also be used to make finished parts or tools. Zillion RPM Labs strives to be a great company. Zillion RPM Labs is committed to provide high quality services and products to our customers. Moreover, our efforts to extend beyond providing outstanding products and services to those who need them. Zillion RPM Labs conduct research and participates in a number of initiatives to constantly develop our sector of industry and to contribute to society. Zillion RPM Labs is implementing a strategy to accelerate the growth through innovation and identifying organizational and associative capabilities. Zillion RPM Labs are continuously seeks to develop technologies and products that will have a far impact in industries and in our society. We thank all our customers for giving a continuous support. Please contact for our humble service. Thank you.